Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to check your Cash App limits. So you can see I have over 10K in my account here, but I probably won't be able to send it all at once to someone because Cash App puts limits on people's account. You can increase your limits by connecting more bank accounts. Make sure you verify your ID, your address, and all of those things, and then you should be able to increase your limits. But I'm going to show you how to check how much you can send on your account right now. What you want to do is tap the icon in the top right corner. That's going to show your profile. Then you want to scroll down until you see limits. So go ahead and tap on that. So this is going to show that I can send $2,500 per week. I can receive unlimited. I can add $2,500 per week from my bank, and I can cash out $25,000 per week to my bank. With Bitcoin, I can sell unlimited. I can purchase $100,000 per week. I can deposit $10,000 per week from other Bitcoin wallets to this wallet. I can't withdraw, so we'll talk about that in a second. And then Bitcoin peer-to-peer, I can send $2,500 per week or $17,500 per month, and I can receive unlimited. So this withdraw, it's probably because I haven't set up investing in stocks or Bitcoin on my account. So I could go ahead and set that up. Then I think my limits would increase from $2,500 per week to probably $10,000. I'm not sure about that, so I'll have to do another video showing how to increase your limits. Go ahead and subscribe for that. Yeah, there's a quick tutorial showing how to check your limits. If you're having issues sending money or transacting, this may be why. Hope you found this video helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.